I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready, let's begin. First, make sure the Google app or Google Lens is installed and permissions are granted so the camera can work. Open Lens directly or tap the lens icon inside the Google app or Assistant. Once opened, choose camera mode and point at the object or text you need. You don't need perfect framing yet. Tap to focus. This initial tap tells Lens what to analyze. From here, you'll see visual results populate. Move on when the bounding box appears. Now you'll take action. Frame the item close enough to fill about half the screen and tap to lock focus. This improves accuracy. Next, pick a lens mode, text to copy, translate to swap languages, shopping to find products, or search for objects. Swipe result cards for suggestions and tap one to get links, prices, or copied text. If text is chosen, drag selection handles to pick lines, then press copy or listen. Make sure to try alternate angles if recognition falters. Finish by acting on what Lens found. You can copy text to paste, save images or results to your device, or share links to messages and apps. For translations, tap Translate or listen to hear pronunciation. For purchases, open store links to compare prices. Once done, double-check copied text for OCR errors. If results are poor, try the troubleshooting tip. Change angle, move slightly closer, or improve lighting. That usually fixes recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.